Okay. Airtel.
A very warm welcome to all of you in this momentous occasion today, wherein we launch one more beginning and a big brand launch for a new campaign, which is Kose. It effectively means enriching and empowering your lives in whatever you do.
Intambwe kuyindi urugendo tujye imbere, ikiganza ku kindi mu bitendo twamamare, biyemeza mirimo oya wicike intege, kazi ni kazi, Airtel turi kumwe mu kazi kose.
I wanted to start off by congratulating Airtel on a number of things. First, that they've completed the merger of both networks, consolidating their products, services, and technology, but also congratulating them on acquiring this unified license and launching the new brand, Kose. So on that note, I wanted to have my remarks very brief, because I'm sure with the suite of products and services that Ibrahim presented, we all want to run back to our desks and offices and test that actually what they've said is true. So thank you very much and good luck on this launch, and we're in this together. Thank you.
Nafashe umwanzuro ngura Airtel, sinarekeye aho naguriye sheri, kuva nayigura dutera story nk'abari kumwe, umuriro uciranye ugura nkoresheje Airtel money mu kazi kose. Okay, irezo yacu okay, internet yacu okay, Airtel money
muri vete
igufasha gusabana n'abawe ku mirongo yose ku biciro byo hasi cyane. Wifunze kuri internet ya fasta urabasha guchattinga, gukoresha YouTube no kureba filime zigezweho kuri Netflix udahenzwe aho waba uri hose mu Rwanda. Nta kibazo na kimwe cy'amafaranga kuko urohereza ukanabikuza ku buntu na fagitire zirishyuye byose kuri Airtel money. Akarusho rero urahabwa inyongera ya 30% uguze pack, ukanahabwa inyongera y'amafaranga uguze umuriro kuri Airtel money. Ibintu n'uburyohe ni Airtel mu kazi kose.